Hey, good morning. This is Ken with Encompass SEO. I hope this video finds you guys doing good, and thanks for letting me do this educational video for you guys over there at Restoration Services. So today I'm going to show you 3 things that can be implemented today to get you ranking higher in Google services and ranking higher in the Google Map Pack, okay? So I brought up your guys' website, okay? I have to say I love the way it looks, and the color flow and everything else looks good. You guys got plenty of plenty of pictures and clickables, okay, taking you to other pages, so internal links, okay. The one thing I do see that is really kind of is going to hinder you guys a little bit is your word count on this front page. To be properly optimized in Google's eyes here, you guys want to have a minimum of 1,500 words with what we call a authoritative keyword stuffed in that 1,500 words, okay? An authoritative keyword is a keyword is like a roofing repair, Dothan, Alabama, for example. And you would then highlight that in your area, okay? But you don't want to stuff too many of those in that 1,500 words, so we'd recommend only having 15 of those in that 1,500 words. So you want one authoritative keyword for every 100 words you put on, okay? So the next area we're going to jump into is what we call a citation, okay? To rank in this section is where the citations come in, okay? This is what we call the Google Map Pack, okay? When a customer does a basic search for, like I did here, roofing repair, Dothan, Alabama, they're going to choose out of this top 3, maybe top 5, okay? You guys are ranking, I believe, 10th in this section, okay? So you guys are missing out on tons of potential clientele, okay? To get ranking here, like I was saying, you need citations, okay? A citation is your company's business name, address, and phone number, and directories throughout the internet like Yelp.com, Yellowpages.com, and so forth, okay? Google recommends to have 50 to 100 more than your top competition, okay? So you want to come in here, say they had 15 of them, you want to come in here and have 50 to 100 more than these guys, okay? We use a program called whitesparks.ca to see how many they have, and you could get that and go over above them, okay? Now down here, we call this the organic section. To rank here, you need what's called a backlink. You guys are currently ranking 4th, which is actually not bad. So it shows you guys do have some backlinks, but we want to get you ranking higher in this because that ranking here and here, they do go hand in hand, okay? So to check out backlinks, we use a program called Ahrefs, okay? This shows us a lot of different analytics, and I can explain these here, okay? So these 2 sections, we call these the golden rule, okay? You want to get these closer to 1-on-1, okay? And you want to get them closer to between 35 and 40 to really start ranking high and give a lot of authority to yourself, okay? As you can see, you're 20 and 6, okay? So we want to, like I said, get these closer to like 20 and 20, and then get them up to 40, okay? Now your backlinks here, you currently have 96 of them, and they're coming from 32 domains. And let me explain what an actual backlink is. It's really what is another site pointing to your website, giving you more authority in Google's eyes. So it's helping you rank. So these guys are pointing at your website and giving you more power and helping you rank, okay? Now you are currently ranking for 64 words, but you're only getting 21 clicks a month. So somewhere in the traffic here, things aren't coming over to monetize you guys very well. As you can see, you're only making $80 out of those 21 clicks. So somewhere, some things are misleading here. Now, if we scroll down, the one thing I want to say is not all backlinks are made the same. And by that, I mean a backlink is on a rating scale between 0 and 100, okay? Of course, 0 being the worst, 100 being the best. Now, as you can see here, you got 71 on a 0 to 10, so that's a majority of your backlinks, okay? And as you can see here, these guys, you have 16, 11 to 20, okay? And another thing I want to tell you is backlinks naturally fall off over time. So you want to continually add in them over time. That way you continually maintain your ranking and continue to go higher. As you can see, at one point you guys had 231. Up to about a month and a half to 2 months ago, you had 115. So as you can see, they're falling off slowly. So you want to add good quality links slowly, and don't add too many at too quick of a time. Otherwise, Google would see you guys as spamming, and it could hurt your ranking. Now, just for comparison sakes here, I used Marty Robbins Roofing in the Dothan area here where we live, and as you can see, that they're not, for the golden ratio, they're not near. You guys are a little bit better than them. They have 93 backlinks from 39 different domains. They're only ranking for 9 words, and they're only getting 6 clicks a month, but they're doing a little bit better on those 6 clicks, and they're making $43 a month. Again, they could do better at that as well. If we come down and look at their ranking here, as you can see here, they are ranked. 45 of their stuff is 0 to 10, and as you can see, 11 to 20, 43 of their stuff is coming in pretty high. As you can see, higher quality will help rank easier, okay? And as you can see, if we come back to here, up in here, these guys are ranking second in the Google Map Pack, just to help rank. They go really hand in hand, like I was saying. So I know I'm throwing a lot at you. Let me review real quick. On that first page, you want to get 1,500 words with authoritative keywords sprinkled in there. Every 100 words, you get one authoritative keyword, okay? You want to get 50 to 100 more citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number in directories throughout the internet. And remember, not all backlinks are made the same. They naturally fall off over a given time. And remember, you want to have quality, not quantity, okay? So I know I'm throwing a lot at you guys, but if you see I could add value to help you guys rank, reach out to me. My number is area code 334-405-5177. If not, no harm, no foul. You could also respond to the email I'm sending out to you guys. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great week. You guys have a great day. Thanks, man.